Yeah. It's another beautiful day. Right. Okay, I look around this hell and all I see is motherfuckers hunting us down like it's open season. Are we subject to this hater? Can we plant a new seed and let it grow from ground up, or do we make them bleed? Cause if they up the gun on me, they don't need a reason to carry out an execution like I committed the treason. But no, I won't fall, don't need a round, just the defense to show you what type of time I'm on. Tomorrow I'm breathing, it's do or die. My mama called me when she shit wrong. I pray the day don't ever come when I don't make it home. Cause for a black man in America, the weather's a storm. You see what's happening in our era, that's why I'm writing this poem. And no, I would never falter, I can never pretend. Been on this journey so damn long that we still searching for ends. In a nation of sin, controlled by the evil within. We trying to find a way, lost in this world of pretend. Woke up in the morning, gotta thank God, but I don't know why today seems kinda odd. I looked outside and I see a storm, and there goes the day, it's about to flood from the way it's pouring. Just another day, chilling off 285. I wrote some sticky up so I can go up to the sky, but you can't reach me, so don't expect me to reply. This that human airplane mode, when I take off, watch me fly. If you see us applying pressure, understand we meant all it. I learned not to second guess myself when it came to shot calling. The way I'm living this progress, the path I'm going abundant. I gotta show you what I mean. I don't do too much talking, but when I speak you understand I'm a shepherd among sheep. Follow me, let me preach. This is a sermon that's for the streets. A couple times it wasn't sweet, but the youngster wasn't raised weak. Rise and grind for what you need, can't let suckers ever faze me. Cause I excel at everything, how you doubt when they call me king. Number lions on my team and some of them niggas is mean. I've been blessed by higher power, can't let a doubt cross my thought. He did that, and y'all niggas is scared to suffer a loss. Real winners ready to lose, like real killers ready to die. 2 a.m. you was on snooze. At that time I sharpen my knives. I can't afford to be like you when there's a war outside. Police capping bodies of my people, and they come from that fire. Just open your eyes. Woke up in the morning, gotta thank God, but I don't know why today seems kinda odd. I looked outside and I see a storm, and there goes the day, it's about to flood from the way it's pouring. Just another day, chilling off 285. I wrote some sticky up so I can go up to the sky, but you can't reach me, so don't expect me to reply. This that human airplane mode, when I take off, watch me fly.